Hello guys and welcome to 64 Tech Bits. This is the very first video of the Java series, and in this video we'll be looking into why should one learn Java. We'll be installing Java and an IDE, that is your integrated developer environment, and we'll be writing our very first Java program, that is your Hello World program. To get started, I hope you can see my iPad screen, and with the limited technology that I have, I'm casting my iPad screen onto PC and recording this session. I know the quality is bad, hence if you have a better solution, please let me know. But for now, this is all I have, so bear with me. So let's get started. The very first question people have is, why should one learn Java? For that, I have many reasons. So if you are a first year or second year student, you come across many languages. So it can be C++, C, or even Java. Now, why Java? The very first point is it's a very beginner friendly language. I know the syntax can be confusing or it's way too much compared to modern languages like Python or JavaScript. But the long syntax helps you understand programming a bit better than the modern languages. The very first point, it's a very beginner friendly language. Secondly, it is an object oriented based language, which means it follows the principles of object oriented programming and its concepts. Now, you may ask, what is object oriented programming? We'll get to it in the coming videos. The third thing is Java can be used in wide range of technology solutions. It can be used to make mobile applications, although now Kotlin is preferred to make mobile application, but Java can also be used to make mobile application. It can be used to make enterprise solutions. It can be used in cloud services. So it has a variety or wide range of use cases. And the fourth point is it's used in major tech companies, and it's still widely used in many backend technologies of the major tech MNCs. So if you are a Java developer, it gives you an edge in those specific companies. So now that we have listed our reasons to why should one learn Java, we'll be getting into how can you install Java and also how to install an IDE. The IDE I'll be using is IntelliJ, IntelliJ Community Edition. Although you can run your Java program in VS Code, but it's preferred but IntelliJ is preferred by many educators and developers specifically for Java development, so I'll be using it. So let's get started. Now open a web browser, okay, and search for Java download. Do not click on the very first link. Click on the second link, that is Java downloads. We'll be using Java 21, so click on JDK 21. Click on Windows and install these. Directly download the installer. So click on this. Once we have the exe file, run it. You'll see a dialog box that's just like this. Click on next. Yep, next. Yep. So as you can see, Java 21 has been installed. Just click close. Now that we have installed Java, to verify if your Java has been installed properly, click on Windows, search for CMD, click enter. Now okay, hope it's visible. So just type Java hyphen version. Here you can see we have installed Java 21 LTS, that is a long-term support environment, and yep, Java has been installed. You can close the window as of now. In the web browser, open new tab, search for IntelliJ. Click on the very first link, accept all. IntelliJ Ultimate, do not do that. Uh, IntelliJ IDEA. Where can I get the community edition? So yes, do not install this. Scroll a bit down and click on this, download exe. Once you have downloaded, try to install it into a PC, click on it. Dialog box like this appears. Click on next. Select the intelligent version you want to install. Yep, this is the one. I've already installed community version 2022 version. I want to uninstall and reinstall the latest version. If you don't have a previous version, you wouldn't find option like this. So simply click on next. Yep. Since I had it installed, so it's uninstalling right now, and it will install it in the next go. Yep. 2024. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, please click on it. Since I'll be only coding or using Java in IntelliJ IDEA, so I'll be clicking on .java. Mostly Gradle and .ttks are used for Kotlin development and Android development in general. So we'll leave this for now and click next. That brings install. Now it's installing our IntelliJ IDEA community version. Select the Run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition and click on Finish. Your IntelliJ IDEA Community version has been installed and it's been loading. It's loading as of now. Import settings, JetBrain IDs. Just click Skip Import. Yep, we have a screen. Just now click on New Project. Select Java. Make this. I'm going to name it Java Tutorial IDEA Projects. I've selected my directory, Oracle OpenJDK 2105. Yep. So this means we are using Java 21. Name your directory, select the location, select the JDK, click create. Here you can see the default project has loaded. We'll remove this as of now, and we'll get into creating our very first Hello World program. So I'll delete this file as well. Yep. Click on write Java class, name it Hello World. Okay. I hope this is visible. So the very first thing you would notice is the class name and the file name are same. So if you're writing a single standalone Java program, should always check if the class name and the file name are same. And you can have multiple classes in the same file, but make sure whatever the class which has the similar name as the file name should contain your main function. So the main function is public static void main string args. Now the main function is the very function that is executed when you click run, right? Now whatever you write outside this main function will be only executed if that function is called in the main function. Now this may sound complex as of now if you are a complete beginner, but we'll get to this in the coming videos. Now to print a statement in Java, you can simply type system.out.println, or you can simply write .print. We'll see the difference of println and print in this video itself, and simply type hello world. Your every line in Java should end with single quotes. Yep. Since we have closed it, to run the Java file, simply click on run. And you can see we have this output hello world. Now the very difference between system.out.print and system.out.println is that when you use .print, it prints every output in a single line. And when you use .println, every output is printed in a different line. To see this action, we'll simply type system.out.print hello. No, I'll say 64. Okay, take bits. And in the new line, we'll have system.out.println. Now, if you can see, I'm using the command println, but since the previous command is .print, it will print this output in the same line, right? So this is first line, and now the second line, since the ln means a next line command, the next output would be in a different line. I would say second line. To run the file, simply click on run and you can see the difference. So when you use .print, you can see it's in the same line. Since the last prints command doesn't have an ln, so even this line is printed in the same line. You can see first line. Now since the last print command had .ln, I mean .println, this will be printed in a new line, right? So I hope this was helpful to understand the difference between .print and .println, and this is how you write a basic Java program, hello world program. In the next video, we'll look into data types and more basic concepts of Java. Till then, like the video, share the video with your friends who are learning Java or who want to learn Java, and subscribe for more coming videos. Thank you.